In the heart of New York City, a picturesque oasis awaits you, spanning 843 acres of green space. Central Park is one of the largest parks in the world. The park is brimming with things to see and things to do, and you shouldn't miss the AKA Central Hotel's convenient location near the park. The park is a great place to enjoy the greenery, relax, or take a scenic stroll. You can also find several playgrounds, ball fields, and other recreational facilities, such as the Central Park Zoo and the Carousel, a children's play area for horseback riding. Explore the park on foot or by bike. New York City's Central Park is one of the most visited parks in the world. Located in the heart of Manhattan, the 843-acre park is a green oasis for locals and visitors alike. There are plenty of things to do in Central Park, but one of the best ways to experience the park is by foot or bike. 2. Take a horse-drawn carriage ride. If walking isn't possible or is stressful for you or your little ones, there's no better way than to take a horse-drawn carriage ride through Central Park. You'll feel like you've stepped back in time as you stroll along the park's winding paths, enjoying the sights and sounds of one of the world's most famous green spaces. 3. Visit Belvedere Castle. Located in Central Park, Belvedere Castle is one of New York's famous landmarks. Built in 1869, it sits on a high vantage point in the park, offering stunning views of New York City. Visitors can explore the castle grounds and learn about its history, or simply enjoy the views from the top of the tower. 4. Take a boat ride on the lake. If you're looking to get active, one of the best things to do in Central Park is paddle a boat on the lake. Paddling is a great exercise and is truly relaxing. Plus, it's a great way to see the park from a different perspective. You can rent one boat, but make sure to get there early, as the queue can get very long during peak seasons.